Every time we've came through here, that has been cloud covered, rain.
Yeah. Now there's like a volcano up there. Oh, it's the purple area. And the holly.
Welcome to West Virginia.
Welcome to Ohio. Where we stayed last night. Noise of the trucks behind us wasn't bad. But this is it. Got the moon coming up. I don't know if you can see that. But yeah, where we stayed. Okay, Bit. What we got in front of us? We got a Timmy Hortons, and we're in Ohio. So you know Mom's getting you, right? Yeah. And I'm getting a nice double. Yeah, we couldn't believe the number of trees we seen damaged during that big ice storm. There's got to be tens of thousands of trees with the tops completely snapped off.
Here's our final destination, Beecher Village in Drummond Island. So we're going to get to Hessel and Cedarville first.
Probably can't hear me. That's Drummond Island over there. The ferry boat is right behind this great big boat right there. See if I can zoom in. There's the ferry boat. Right there. There's where Hope's mom stays. Okay, so it's morning time, day 2 up here. So Hope just went to go visit her mom for breakfast. So I'm gonna make breakfast in the van, make some coffee. And when she comes back from visiting her mom, we'll have breakfast. So that's what we're doing right now. Make some coffee first. see that. You didn't see that. Hope's decaf is first. Look at that pretty little girl right there. Already been for a nice walk this morning. Hope's coffee's first. Then we'll add a little caramel macchiato. Okay, breakfast is on. Bacon, eggs, and some egg whites. Some tortillas to go with it, and cheese. Okay, breakfast is made. So, yeah, first breakfast back in Michigan. Don't know if you can hear the birds singing in the background, but the bird song is amazing this morning. What a beautiful spot. We came here last year in this little park just off the road outside of Detour Village, and it is beautiful. How's that for a view? There's Hopi in a little bit.
And those are wild Michigan blueberry, little wild blueberries. I think they call them huckleberries or something like that. Hey, you like that?
What's crazy is this time last year when we were here, the water was all the way up to about right there. About right there's where the water line was. So in a year it's dropped a huge chunk. Heck, now you can walk out on that spit all the way out. Looks like all the way to there.
Play out on that island. Remember, they went out in their rowboat.
Yeah.
And you couldn't even see that land connected. It looked like they were walking on water.
Hey, the lake is down. Down, down, down. Some of these rocks look awesome. Look at this. Crazy. And then you get the... And there's a puppy dog. Water must be good.
Yeah, fishy tasting probably.
Come on. Ah, good girl. Go get her. Go get Mom. Little bit is loving this. She's off the leash. Okay, so a couple of videos ago I was saying about the transmission and all that good stuff. Well, I watch a channel called Promasters Only. A guy named Kip came out with his own app for Promasters. I mean, all he does is work on Promasters, so he is like the expert on Promasters. So this app goes through the OBD. Now, he tells you exactly which one of these OBD scanners to buy, so it works with his app. And then the app itself, you download it. It's good for iPhones or the other junk. And I'll show you that in a second. Okay, so once you download it, this is the app right here, right there, Promaster Only. You just click on it, connect to OBD, scan for devices. Should be Victor 020, that's that one. Hit connect. We are connected. There we go. I'm still learning this. And then we can go to gauge panel. You have the coolant temperature, transmission, you get your voltage, your oil pressure, and you got your fuel banks. Okay, this is a screenshot of the Promaster Only home screen and how to get into it. Connect to the OBD reader, hit scan. This one is a V020. So once you find that, connect to it. And you go back to basically the start screen. And you got a couple different options from there. You can do the gauge panel, and it just gives you a basic readout. Then you can go back to the other screen there, bring this one up, and you've got the gauge clusters. And this worked perfect all the way from North Carolina to Michigan. Watching the transmission temperature, and it was within range all the way. And good piece of kit.